Hello and welcome back. Let's solve this algebraic equation. If x is equal to 1 over 2 times 1 plus square root of 445, then we have to find the value of x cube minus 112x minus 109 whole power 10. So let's get started. We are going to multiply this equation by 2 on both sides. So it will become 2x is equal to 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 plus square root of 445. Here this 2 and 2 cancel out. 2x is equal to 1 times 1 is 1 and 1 times square root of 445 is same again. Now we will take this one to left hand side, so it will become negative and this is equal to square root of 445. Here at this step we will take square of this equation on both sides. Now this becomes an identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the square of 2x minus 1 is equal to 4x square minus 4x plus 1. And on right hand side the square and root cancel out. This is equal to 445. 4x square. Now we will take this 4x to right hand side, so it will become positive, and by taking this one to right hand side it will become negative. 4x square is equal to 4x. After subtracting these two numbers we have triple 4. Now we will divide both sides by 4, then we get x square is equal to x plus triple 1. We got the value of x square, which is equal to x plus triple 1. We are going to save this answer and we will use it later on. Now let's move on to the other part. We know that x cube is as same as x square times x. After putting the value of x square, which is equal to x plus 111 times x, and now we will multiply x times x is x square plus 111x. X cube is equal to x square plus 111. In the next step we will take this 111 to left hand side, so it will become negative is equal to x square, and x square is equal to x plus 111. Now x cube minus 111 this one, and this x to left hand side, so it will become negative is equal to 111 x cube. After adding these two numbers we got 112x, sign is negative, is equal to 111. Now we will put this value in the required equation. So putting the value of x cube minus 112x, which is equal to 111 minus 109 whole power 10. 111 minus 109, we know that it is equal to 2 to the power 10, and 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024. So the value of x cube minus 112x minus 109 whole power 10 is equal to 1024. I hope all the steps are clear. Keep watching, keep practicing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye till the next time.